This is my beautiful table that my dad built for me out of cedar, and I love it. And it's so country. I have found these seat covers that kind of remind me of a bandana that the handkerchief that the farmers wear. So I covered the seats in that. My project is going to be, I want to go all country. And as you can see, it's a crossover right now from the Tuscany. Taking that out, we're going to begin this project. And I'm going to take you along with me for the ride. Beautiful tablecloth. It's got the chickens on it. I'm going to put that on there. My placemats are going to be the ticking red country style fabric. I love that. And then I have my red gingham napkins. And then I have these really cute Rooster napkin rings. I'm just loving this. I can't wait to see how this all comes together. Okay, I have isn't that gorgeous? That is the tablecloth. I'm going to come back later and iron out the wrinkles, but I just love this. It is so cute. If that ain't country, I mean, oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh, it's beautiful. I'm just so excited. Okay, the gingham is my placemats. I got them backwards. The ticking is going to be the napkins. It is coming together so cute. I can't wait till it's finished. Okay, so here sits my beautiful country style setup. I have the cute Rooster tablecloth that's really country. Yeah, I know it has the wrinkles in it, but I think it kind of gives it a little country charm there. And then I have these really cute placemats that are the gingham, red gingham. I have the the red ticking fabric for napkins. And these cute little metal roosters napkin holders. I think are really cute. Have these galvanized plate chargers. And then I have this really cute milk container for my centerpiece, and it's I have the little mason jar, salt and pepper, and the butter dish. This is a Lazy Susan. It's a wooden kind of Lazy Susan. My thoughts are, when dinner time, take the centerpiece off, and I can set my serving dishes on there, and then rotate them around so everyone can reach them without having to reach over and all that good stuff. I think it turned out well there. I also did this is the new backdrop. I have the country barns, and these are this cute little mason jar lights that I think are just adorable. They have the little timer on them, but you turn them on. Isn't those cute? Let me go turn the other one on so you can see how well this turned out. I think it's so cute. Turn that on. I hope if I reach it right. Oops. There we go. Yeah, let me back up so you can see. Isn't that gorgeous? I think that turned out really well with my hutch. And also, I added some new pieces to my hutch out of these cute chicken plates that I got. I think those are so cute. The little roosters in there. And it has some red goblets in there, and I added them to the thing. I also, on top of my hutch, I perched these cute little chickens that are sitting over on the ledges of the rooster and the chicken. I think this turned out really, really amazing. I am in love with it. Love the way it looks. I think it all came together. And of course I have my little rug there. But this looks so cute. I'll also get the roosters here by my clock. I think that's so cute too. Anyway, So my little country heaven is coming together. I think it's gorgeous.